Welcome back to Handpanuary. It's week 1, day 4. We're going to play with some paradiddles, and there are so many different ways that you can play paradiddles that you can make a whole entire course on it for the handpan, because it's just endless. It's literally endless. I've already explored a few ways on my channel before. Today, it's going to look a bit like this. So we'll start from the beginning. What is a paradiddle? A paradiddle is when you play right, left, and then a double on the right hand. That then gives you a good starting point to then start the next paradiddle with the left hand, left, right, and then double. So we've got paradiddle, paradiddle, right? Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And then when we put that together without any gaps, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Paradiddle, paradiddle, join in. Paradiddle, 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 yeah, and that's a paradiddle. So, if you're an advanced player, an intermediate player, you can explore some split hand with those paradiddles. We'll explore some of that a little bit later this month. Or you could explore using, these two fingers instead. For those doubles, I'm using middle, pointer, 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 middle, pointer, 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 middle, pointer, pointer. Whatever you need to practice, you can adapt this for however feels good. For now, I invite you to place the pa of the paradiddle on the ding. So we're going to be exchanging hands as to which hand strikes the ding. Paradiddle, 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 yeah, paradiddle, paradiddle, paradiddle. Remember that you can slow this down in the YouTube settings if this is too fast for you. And if this is already a brain teaser, stick with this. But if you're ready for the next step, then what we're going to do is move the hand that's playing the ding onto note 1 instead, like this. And I'm playing it with my thumb. This is already a really good exercise. You've got rotation. Oops, I played that wrong. Yeah, you've got rotation. You've got practicing your doubles. You're changing which hand is leading. There's so many different things happening here. So now we've got that motion. We're not just going to play note 1 of the scale. We're going to move up the scale. So whenever we start with the right, note 1, left, note 2 comes back to the right, note 3 comes back to the left, note 4, and so on and so forth, right? So, it'll look like this. Ready, 1, 2, off we go. Paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. And we're going to come back down. Let's try it again. Paradiddle, 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 exercise with this one is to purposefully start on the other hand, so that instead of it feeling really satisfying and perfectly in place and nice and open, you're forced to cross over. So that's giving you a new movement to practice, right? So I'll start with my left hand on note 1, and then my right hand on note 2, left on 3, right, left, right, left, and so on and so forth. Let's try that together. Ready? So we're going to play left hand first. Left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, left. Let's try it. Ready? Off we go. Left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, 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 left, right, left, right, right, left. Yeah, nice. That's especially fun as you start to speed that up to try and not get too tangled as you work your way up the scale. Cool. So let's explore one more variation. So this time we're going to put the doubles on the notes. Same premise. We're just moving the hand on the diddle. Ready? 1, 2, off we go. Paradiddle, paradiddle, paradiddle. Start with the left hand so that we're forced to do that crossover. Ready? 1, 2, off we go. So take that, explore some other paradiddle variations, especially exploring ways that you can incorporate some wrist rotation stuff like we explored yesterday into those double strikes, right? Sorry, that's not even it. Para. This is a good one. Making that double a rotation and playing it between 2 notes and then moving up the scale. It's another bonus one for you there. But yeah, enjoy, and I will see you for the final one of this week tomorrow.